Hello, everyone. We will be talking about retail organizations and the challenges faced by them and their supporting IT teams today, right? Uh, Anytime, anywhere shopping is becoming the norm of our daily lives, especially during this new normal period we are in, right? So, this is leading a lot of retailers to upgrade their platforms, make sure their disparate systems can efficiently work together. Um, they also need to ensure the highest levels of security and compliance, and most importantly, make sure that their systems and IT teams are able to handle the vast amount of data from the shoppers, right? So this also collected data needs to be managed to build strategies that provide an enhanced shopping experience, and then finally leading to more business to those retailers. So all of this calls for the implementation of application platforms that integrate the retailer's services, technologies, processes, right, across the organization, right. Also, we're seeing that the industry is shifting uh, from being product centric, as in the past, right, to being more customer centric, which also means that the IT teams that are supporting these organizations, right, and the systems need to be now application centric to support the shift. Uh, Whether it's in store or whether it's online, retailers are demanding responsive point of sale transactions that need to handle credit cards and gift cards in a secure manner. Then there's also the need for efficient inventory and store management across distributed locations. And then you have the typical services like HR and accounting that you're going to see in any other organizations, right? So all of these things you're going to see in a retail organization, but it needs to be done efficiently with the constrained IT resources and budgets that they may have, especially in these challenging times. Maintaining this balance is critical for the retailer to keep the lights on, right? But also to maintain the relevancy in this fast paced, digitized shopping world, you can call that as, right? Uh, One other important aspect to all of this is the use of hybrid cloud environments that offers the scalability and elasticity that these retailers demand to maintain the balance between the capex investments and also availability of their online stores, especially during peak sale days, right? Like you have Black Friday or you have your Christmas holidays, right? So for this hybrid cloud type of a scenario, right, we've seen a lot of organizations struggle with not knowing where the issues lie, right? Is the issue in the cloud? Is it in the data center? Is it their application? What is leading to the issue as such, right? So getting visibility across cloud boundaries in a unified view, uh, using probably a solution or like a dependency map, right, will allow those IT teams to figure out where their issues lie and then quickly resolve it, right? Once they know the area of the bottleneck, right, then obviously there comes the next step of figuring out the underlying root cause, right? Should they be giving more money to Amazon or Microsoft to get more cloud compute resources? Or do they need to fix things on their database server or their storage or compute for their servers that are running in their data center? Right? The faster these IT teams can react to these issues, that'll help them make their organization quickly turn around some of these challenges that they face, and then at the end of the day, avoid losing customers in the long term, right? So, thank you everyone for joining us today in Uila's Ask an Expert session, right? Hopefully, this would be interesting and informative for anybody who is working in the retail vertical. Thank you, everyone.